Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Northside Bob doing a quick video of truck chassis as for sale or trade. Um, as you can see, it got a rock crawler motor, servo motor, 9 gram servo. Uh, it's just a roller chassis. Uh, the the servo motor wire has been upgraded. Uh, will come with a servo. Uh, Shocks upgrade, yellow ones. As you can see, this if you want it, this is how you're gonna get it. I just had the servo, so yeah. Uh, this servo was custom put on there, so yeah. As you can see, and then it got the motor wire for the screws. So yeah. The servo works, the motor works, and it got the is the long bar for F-150s and Titan Nissan body. So yeah, it's for sale or trade. We'll add the servo. So yeah, comment below or PM me, private message me if you want it. So yeah.